Hi guys, today we are going to start vectors, which is very important for any kind of exam, whether it is a CBSE, IB, ISC, IIT JEE, BITSAT, VIT, any exam. So it's very important. So just watch this. Vectors is divided into two parts. One is called cross product. We use at cross. Second one is dot product. We use dot. When we remove cross, we write sin theta. And when we remove dot, we write cos theta. A scalar cross product is a vector quantity. Means when we operate two vector like this, then the vector remains the vector itself. But when we operate two vectors in this case, it becomes a scalar. For example, we are talking about work done. So force vector dot displacement vector, it gives a work done which is a scalar quantity. And what are the vectors? For example, torque, R vector cross F vector, where R is the distance vector, F is the force vector. Similarly, momentum, M into V, acceleration is a vector quantity, and so on. We have here pressure. Pressure is a scalar quantity. Distance is a scalar quantity. Mass is a scalar quantity. Right? So we must know what is vector and what is scalar. Vector means those physical quantities which involve magnitude as well as direction. But in dot product, or you can say scalar quantity, we are not concerned with the direction. It's all about magnitude only. Just note it down. Suppose I have the vector, let A vector is equal to A1 I cap, B1 J cap plus C1 K cap. Now I cap means you must be knowing about x, y and z axis. This is x axis, y axis, z axis. I cap means we are talking about x axis, z cap means k cap, and y axis means j cap. I mean to say A1 is a quantity directed along x-axis, positive x-axis, this way. If it is minus A1I, then I would have rather said A1 is along negative x-axis. B1 J cap means B1 is along y-axis and C1 is along z-axis. Similarly, I can write B vector is equal to A2 I cap, B2 J cap plus C2 K cap. Now, how to find magnitude of a vector? Magnitude means we find this modulus function, which is given by under root. Whatever be the number associated with I, J and K, we just square it and sum it and put under root. This is the way to find the magnitude of any vector. So this will give you the magnitude only. Now formula for this cross is, I can write A vector cross B vector mod is equal to A mod B mod into sin theta. Now in this dot product, formula is A vector dot B vector, this is mod of A mod of B cos theta. Just note down the formula, these are very, very important. We must know how to operate with the vector. First of all, we must know how to square a vector. Suppose I have A vector minus B vector and I am going to square it. Then I will get mod of A vector square mod of b vector square minus 2 a vector dot b vector Now further, I can explain, I can do it further. I can expand this. So this will remain same. Minus 2 mod of V into cos theta. If plus is here, then obviously it will be plus here. And how to find A vector cross B vector? Just put two lines like this, I, J and K. I, J and K in the same order, don't change the order. Now remember, A vector was A1, B1, C1 and B vector was A2, B2, C2. Now we have to cross multiply it. We have to expand this using sign convention, plus, minus and plus. So if you want to expand for I cap, then remove this and remove this. We are left with 4 numbers, B1, C1, B2, C2. So starting from the bottom right, we go to the left side like this. So write B1 into C2 minus B2 into C1. Got it? Now this is plus, minus J cap, sorry. When we talk about J cap, then remove this and remove this. You are left with 4 elements, A1, C1, A2, C2. Starting from the rightmost bottom, multiply this, A1, C2. A1, C2 minus A2, C1. This is the way to expand. Plus when we write about K cap, eliminate this, you are left with A1, B1, A2, B2. So right bottom B2 into A1. So you can write B2, A1 minus A2, B1. Now this is the expansion of this entire thing. A vector cross B vector. Just note down, it's very important. Now next thing is unit vector. नाम इसका है यूनिट, यानी कि those vector whose magnitude is 1 unit is called unit vector. Suppose we are asked to find the unit vector of A vector. The unit vector always denoted by cap. A cap is equal to A vector divided by its mod. This is the way to write. And what was A vector here? A1 I cap, B1 J cap, C1 K cap. A1 square, B1 square plus C1 square. This is your A cap. This entire thing is called unit vector. If you find the mod of this, magnitude of this, you will get 1. Just check it out if you want. Now let's solve some question. It is given that P vector plus Q vector is equal to R vector and mods are given. P, Q, R, magnitude is given. Then find the angle between P and Q. So just write this first. Now square both the sides. Just remember one thing. जिसके बीच का हमें एंगल चाहिए वो एक साथ होना चाहिए. अगर यहाँ मुझे ये भी बोला जा सकता था फाइंड द एंगल बिटवीन P एंड R, देन R को मैं इधर ले आता, Q को इधर ले जाता. माइंड इट. So squaring both the sides, I am getting P square plus Q square plus 2P vector dot Q vector. This one. Now magnitude is given. Root 3 का square. Root 3 का square means 3. Q square. Root 3 का square means 3 again plus 2. Mod of P, mod of Q, cos theta. As per formula. You must remember it. A dot B का formula हमने किया हुआ है. This is 3 का square, that is 9. So we can write this is 6 this way. Mod of P root 3, mod of Q again root 3, cos theta is equal to 9. So it will become 6 cos theta is equal to 3, or you can say cos theta is half Therefore, theta is equal to 60 degree. So simple. Note it down, it's very, very important. I am underlining the formula. You must remember this P dot Q. This is the formula. We have a question here. If mod of A is equal to 2, mod of B is equal to 5, mod of A cross B is equal to 8, then find A vector dot B vector. First of all, focus on this. It involves the formula that we have done. What formula? Mod of A cross B is equal to mod of A, mod of B into sin theta. So this entire thing is given 8. You must remember this formula first. Is equal to mod of A is 2 given, mod of B 5 given, and this is your sin theta. So I can get sin theta is equal to 4 by 5. I have to find A dot B. Again write the formula. A vector dot B vector is equal to mod of A, mod of B cos theta. This is a formula you must remember. So we can write mod of A, that means 2, mod of B, that means 5. Since we know sin theta, so we are using another formula. We must be knowing one formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So cos theta is equal to under root 1 minus sin square theta. So this is coming out to be 16 by 25 and this is 3 by 5. So we can write down here 3 by 5. So A dot B is coming out to be 6. Please note down, it's very, very important. One question is given here. Find a vector which is perpendicular to both A vector and B vector. So we must know how to deal with this. Suppose this is your A vector and this is your B vector. Then we find A cross B by using right hand. Put the four fingers. We are about to find A cross B. Let it be C vector. Just name it C vector. This is A vector and this is B vector. So put the four fingers towards A vector, left wala vector, and bend it towards B vector, that is the E wala vector, second vector. So if you are bending like this, I am getting thumb exposed towards the viewer, towards you. So this is your A cross B only. Mind it, I am repeating it again. A vector, B vector. Just bend it A vector towards B vector like this. Thumb is towards you. That means the A cross B vector is towards you. That means A cross B is perpendicular to each of A vector and B vector. A vector cross B vector is perpendicular to each of the vector A vector and B vector. So whenever the question like this, you just find A cross B and you will get the answer. And we know very well how to find A cross B. Just put a mod over here. Just put a mod over here like this. I cap, J cap, K cap. This is A vector means 3 minus 2 minus 2. B vector means 2, 4 and 6. And do this as we have done in the last thing, theory. You know how to do this. Calculate it, you will get the answer. In case I am asked to find, suppose B cross A, right? Now see it carefully. this is your A vector, this is your B vector. B cross A means we have to bend B towards A, B towards A, bend like this. So I'm getting thumb towards the board, away from you. And in case of A cross B, the vector was towards you. So A cross B is just opposite to B cross A. Both are not same. But you can say B cross A minus of A cross B. जस्ट उल्टा है ना, तो जस्ट माइनस, पुट इट माइनस, दोनों फिर इक्वल हो सकते हैं. यू मस्ट नो दिस थिंग्स, प्रॉपर्टीज. प्लीज नोट इट डाउन, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड इफ यू फाइंड इट्स वर्दी, just like, share, comment. Thank you.